Namaste. The wise man. People have been coming to the wise man complaining about the same problems every time. One day he told them a joke and everyone roared in laugh. After a couple of minutes, he told them the same joke and only a few of them smiled. When he told the same joke for the third time, no one laughed anymore. The wise man smiled and said, "You can't laugh at the same joke over and over. So why are you always crying about the same problem?" Moral of the story: worrying won't solve your problems. It will just waste your time and energy. The foolish donkey. A salt seller used to carry the salt bag on his donkey to the market every day. On the way, they had to cross a stream. One day, the donkey suddenly tumbled down the stream and the salt bag also fell into the water. The salt dissolved in water and hence the bag became very light to carry. The donkey was happy. Then the donkey started to play the same trick every day. The salt seller came to understand the trick and decided to teach a lesson to it. The next day he loaded a cotton bag on the donkey. Again it played the same trick, hoping that the cotton bag would be still become lighter. But the dampened cotton became very heavy to carry and the donkey suffered. It learned a lesson. It didn't play the trick anymore after the day, and the seller was happy. Moral of the story: luck won't favor always. Two friends and the bear. Vijay and Raju were friends. On a holiday, they went walking into a forest, enjoying the beauty of nature. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming at them. They became frightened. Raju, who knew all about climbing trees, ran up to a tree and climbed up quickly. He didn't think of Vijay. Vijay had no idea how to climb the tree. Vijay thought for a second. He had heard animals don't prefer dead bodies. So he fell to the ground and held his breath. The bear sniffed him and thought he was dead. So it went on its way. Raju asked Vijay, "What did the bear whisper into your ears?" Vijay replied, "The bear asked me to keep away from friends like you," and went on his way. Moral of the story: a friend in need is a friend indeed. The lion and the poor slave. A slave, ill treated by his master, runs away to the forest. There he comes across a lion in pain because of a thorn in his paw. The slave bravely goes forward and removes the thorn gently. The lion, without hurting him, goes away. Some days later, the slave's master comes hunting to the forest and catches many animals and cages them. The slave is spotted by the master's men who catch him and bring him to the cruel master. The master asks for the slave to be thrown into the lion's cage. The slave is awaiting his death in the cage when he realizes that it is the same lion that he had helped. The slave rescued the lion and all other caged animals. Moral of the story: one should help others in need. We get the rewards of our helpful acts in return. Thank you.